Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore how to add a table of contents to a Google Doc. Now, in order to use this, you need to have your document separated into different sections using these formatting styles up here. They look like formatting styles. Normally it would say normal text, but you can change it to be like the title of the document, a subtitle, and then various headings. And the reason you would want to do that is this isn't just about formatting. When you have something defined as the title or the subtitle or a header, it adds structure to this document. The structure of the document can be taken advantage of by the Google Doc itself in order to do things like make a table of contents. So because I have these, if I go to Insert and I want a table of contents, I have two choices. If the document is going to be printed and whoever's reading it will need to refer to a specific page number, you're going to want to pick the one on the left. And notice it adds a table of contents. And it should update the more of these sections and headers that I add. But if I want to change this, let's say it's not necessarily going to be printed, but I do want links to these, I would choose the one on the right. This will create a table of contents, and then each of the parts of the table of contents will be a link to that specific part of the Google Doc. All right, so if I wanted to, I could click on this, click on that, and it takes me to that header, which would then correspond to whatever section of this Google Doc is being represented there. But in order to take advantage of this, you do have to define titles, headers, things like that. You don't necessarily need a title or a subtitle, but you will want the headers for sure. But that is how you can add a neat little table of contents to your Google Doc.